we had a very interesting conversation with the expert, none other than Dr. Zakir himself. Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Zakir.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So he said, you guys don't know how to drink tea.
Milk tea is not drink tea, you know.
How to make tea.
With tea
Well,
bag.
if you don't know how to make tea, then you don't know how to drink tea. So basically, inshallah, he's going to teach me the proper way of making heavy tea, mild tea, and what? There are 3 types of tea, right?
Mild, normal, and strong.
And strong. Bismillah ar-Rahman
Anyway, I
ar-Rahim.
just like to clarify that this video is being made on the request of Sheikh
Yes, of
Muhammad
course.
Salah. And this thing I've told to maybe more than 200 people, and none of them knew about this methodology of how to make proper strong tea. So because of that, he said, let's make a video, which I was reluctant, but I cannot refute Sheikh Muhammad Salah.
Jazakallah khairan.
So now, inshallah,
So it is the methodology of
making strong tea with one tea bag and the correct technique.
one single tea bag, right?
Getting strong. The right method and the scientific method is that when you put the tea bag,
When you say scientific method, it's really scientific or?
yes, it is scientific.
So how did you learn that?
But natural, as Allah says, فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلِ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ.
So who's Ahlul Dhikr in the tea
Yes,
making?
it's not me. So it is thing when I visited one of the tea farms or the tea estate. So that time the
Was
main
it
general manager.
in Sri Lanka?
No, it was in Kerala.
Canada?
Kerala.
Kerala, that
So
is in
so
India.
they're the main head of we should put it in hot boiling plain water without adding any spirit. The moment if you want light tea, you keep it for 1 minute. If you want normal tea, you keep it for 2 minutes. If you want strong tea, keep it for 3 minutes. Oh, sorry.
Are you okay? Here is a spoon.
You could not see how it's getting dissolved.
You said we count 2 minutes, right?
If you want strong, then 3 minutes. Already you can count the 15 seconds up.
Can you imagine?
And then depending on if you want more milk to make it less strong, you have to add more milk to it. Then.
Bismillah, let me see.
Only 1 milk. If you add one more,
So this is
One
the
tea
tea
bag.
with milk. 1 tea bag stayed in the water, in the boiling water for 3 minutes,
not
correct?
boiling, post boiling.
Post boiling. That's right. That's right.
Boil, that's right word.
Yeah, the water had already boiled, and we inserted the tea bag. Dr. Zakir did it for 3 minutes.
Without adding sugar and milk. After 3 minutes, we added 2 packets of sugar and 1 packet of.
But you don't remove the tea bag now?
No, you can remove it. Look at it. You can remove it. And how to remove it is another technique. That if you want to see to it that you squeeze all the remaining tea, you do like that. This is the another technique. Here, see.
I see.
Without touching hand, and then you can put it on the side.
MashaAllah. Let me try. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
It's a strong one.
Wallahi, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.